it's Maskit. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 12 Pro. I currently have the iPhone 8 and I've had it for around 4 years now, so I was like, I need an upgrade. Also, the microphone on this is terrible quality because I brought it into the shower with me to watch videos and like play music out loud, so it's kind of my fault. The back of the phone is also cracked, so I was like, Maskit, you know what? You just finished exams. Why not buy a new phone? Quickly before we get into this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also comment down below what phone you have as of now. And if you are getting the iPhone 12 Pro or any iPhone 12, I went out and bought this phone last week Tuesday. It's been 10 days. I just wanted to film this video properly. I've got my whole setup. I have like a microphone here and like another camera over there. Hello guys. This is the size difference of the boxes of my previous phone and my new phone. Literally one of the best things about unboxing videos is the ASMR and like all the freaking beautiful, satisfying sounds. So I'm gonna just do that really close to the microphone. Oh my god, okay, we're getting started. Oh, that wasn't as satisfying as I thought it would be. Maybe it's better in the recording, but who knows. Ooh. All right, let's do this. Oh my god, she's beautiful. Here's how it looks like. Wow, it's a stunning gold color. So usually the gold iPhones are much more opaque, but this is like a beautiful creamy gold color, which I really love. It matches more to like the rose gold aesthetic, which I was really disappointed that they didn't have this year, but they're really similar, except this one's matte. Let's take it out of the box. Okay. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm holding it. All right, one thing I can already see is the fingerprints on the side, which I've heard a lot of people talking and kind of complaining about, but I really don't mind because I'm going to be having a case on it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So one of the biggest changes Apple has made to its design this year was the squared off edges here. It's like a slab design. I love the shiny gold color here. A lot of people have described it like jewelry, but yeah, the gold is such a pretty color. I'm so happy I chose it. I was really choosing in between the gold and silver, but I felt like the silver was too similar to white. I'm just gonna place that to the side right now, and I'm gonna show you what is inside of the box. Apple also decided to change its charger to a USB-C cable instead of a USB because it charges faster. I haven't yet got the wall plug. I'm just gonna connect it to my laptop because it has the same USB-C input. So that's how I'm gonna charge my phone for now. It is like a typical iPhone charger, but it's just the other side, which is USB-C. So if you do purchase the iPhone 12, you will need to get a power adapter, otherwise you won't be able to charge your phone. And I'm really annoyed that it didn't come with a phone, but that's okay. So it's an extra $30 AUD. It also comes with the Apple sticker as usual. Oh no, this is a SIM remover. Okay, yep, there's the Apple sticker. And there is the little tool that I will use to remove my SIM from my old iPhone 8 and move it to the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, so now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Removing the screen film protector. I'm so excited because it makes the most satisfying sound. Okay, are we ready everyone? All right, let's hear this. Shh. All right, ASMR. Oh, I'm scared. I wanna get this right. I hope that we heard that well. Ooh, it's so cute. It's actually so stunning. I'm so excited to take mirror selfies like this because the background's so pretty, and I also bought a clear case which I'll be putting on afterwards. Okay, so here is the gold iPhone 12 Pro unboxed. The iPhone 12 Pro comes in a 6.1-inch display compared to the iPhone 11, which was 5.8. So this one is a little bit bigger, which I'm happy with. I was actually looking into getting the Max, but I feel like it would just be too big and it wouldn't fit in my pocket. So this is just a perfect size because it's not too small like the iPhone 8, and it's also not like way too big. This is a size comparison between the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 12 Pro. This one is like a baby next to this one. There is also a ceramic shield on the front here, which is way more protective than all the other phones. Apple tested it and it was 4 times stronger than their other models, and I dropped my phone a lot, so that's very good news for me. Another cool feature that Apple have added this year is their Magsafe feature, and it's basically where accessories stick to the phone because there's like a magnet thing inside. I think that's pretty cool. I haven't got those accessories. Maybe I will purchase them in the future, but for now I'm happy with the phone as it is. Also, it was so expensive, and this is the 256GB one. The 128GB I think was around $1,670 Australian dollars, and then the 256 was 1,800 and something. So I decided to add that around almost $200 to get more storage, because I do take a lot of photos and videos. I might actually even vlog with this phone if I don't want to bring my camera around with me, because I will get into the camera quality later, but I will be doing a camera test of this phone compared to the iPhone 8, which is going to be a massive difference. Okay, I guess we're just going to start setting up the phone now. Why is it not turning on? If this is faulty, oh no, yay, it's turning on. There's the iconic Apple logo. I'm so excited for the hello. It's so satisfying. It's like a new Apple product. Yay, there it is. Hola. Anyone speak Spanish here? Comment down below. I don't. I wish I could. Bonjour. Some French here. I had to sing a French song for music. I don't know what language this is. If anyone knows, let me know. Let's just swipe up. Language, English. I do speak 2 languages, but I'm gonna do English. Australia. I'm like also tilting the phone here so I can get it with my camera. So if you're wondering, that's why. Quick step, bring your current iPhone or iPad. Oh, that's so cool. I have to like bring it near and then it like sets it up automatically. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Oh, yay. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Wow, the fingerprint smudges, you could really see them. You know when you just get a bunch of messages from a certain group chat and like, I'm literally gone for 2 minutes and there are 75 messages. Oh, I love the typing sound. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Continue. I've never done Face ID before because the iPhone 8 doesn't have that, so let's do it for the first time. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Okay, Apple want to get my bad side, I get it. Wow. First Face ID scan complete, continue. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Face ID is now set up. Continue. Create a passcode, I'm gonna use the same one. Comment down below if you can relate to this, but I feel like I don't even know the numbers of my passcode. I just know like the way to do it. So it's like, what's it called? There's a word for it. Muscle memory. I have the muscle memory in my fingers, but I honestly like don't know. I couldn't tell you what the numbers are unless I really thought about it hard. Let me know down below if you can relate to that. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPhone. Transfer directly from iPhone. All right, it's connecting. It's just waiting for this phone. Okay, awesome. Oh, transfer not supporting. Lol, that's so annoying. It's telling me I have to update to iOS 12 on my iPhone 8, which I haven't done yet. I know, really late. There's literally iOS 14 and I'm like not even on iOS 12, but it says that I can't transfer the data. So I guess I'm just gonna set up manually. I don't know if that's a bad idea, but we're just gonna do it anyway. I'm just gonna put in my Apple ID, Apple Pay, set up later, Siri. Press and hold the side button to talk to Siri. The side button, what? Oh yeah, because there's no home button on this. I'm so used to the home button on the iPhone 8. That's so weird. Share audio recording. Screen time, yep. I need to know how long I spend on my phone because it's becoming a problem. True tone. Oh, it looks so much better with True Tone here. I'm actually going to be turning my True Tone off, and the True Tone is like when your iPhone adapts to the setting it's in, so it will change the white balance of the screen to match the room that you're in, which is good sometimes, but I don't want the space I'm in to mess up with the colors of the photo. So I'm just gonna go without True Tone. I'll change it later because it's not giving me an option to do it now. Select a light or dark appearance. I'm gonna do light mode, not dark mode. Display zoom standard. Welcome to iPhone. Ooh, this is so exciting. Okay, swipe up. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh yeah, I have to change my SIM card. Yay! So this is the new phone. No, don't want to use right now. Let's take the SIM remover tool and switch those SD cards. SD cards? No. I think I've been surrounded by too many cameras today. SD cards. That's the card you put into a camera. Even the SIM remover is like aesthetic. Only Apple, only Apple. There we go. Remove that. Oh, there she is. Yeah, cool. It's really not working for me. I'm like putting that in. Eek. All right, let's watch a YouTube video on this. I never thought I'd have to do that. How to remove SIM card.
Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from today. I'm going to be showing you how to insert and remove the SIM card from your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, or iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's get started.
Yay.
Now,
All right,
this is the
that's
part
literally
where
what I did.
everybody has trouble.
Yep.
You may have to press with quite a bit of force, especially if
Oh,
it's new. Now, this one came out
okay.
fairly easy, but I've had it.
Oh, there we go. Thank you so much. Big shout out to DHTV on YouTube. Right. I really feel like a tech channel right now, except I really don't know what's going on. What the heck is this? It's the other side. Of course it is. All right, got it. My photos are all loading onto here. You can see the numbers increasing. We're only on 11,000 right now, so we have a bit to go, 90,000 more. Guys, I'm so excited to customize my iPhone and make it look all pretty with iOS 14. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell because I will be doing a iOS 14 customization video, probably combined with a what's on my iPhone 12 Pro. I did actually go out and buy a clear case. I do want to get a cuter one soon, but I just wanted to make sure that my phone is protected because I am going out tonight and I don't want to drop it and then it will break. That's $500 to fix, who knows. Slide that on and I'm on the camera app right now and it is amazing quality. The wide angle is amazing. Oh my god, stop. The wide angle is actually insane. And the video is such good quality. They upgraded to Dolby Vision, which is the highest quality out there available right now. I'm gonna change it to 60 frames per second though, because that makes it more smooth. So if you want smoother videos, change your phone to 60 frames per second. You can also do it on an iPhone 8, that's what I had, but I just changed it on the top here. Let me just get a little video. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm currently filming with the iPhone 12 Pro and it is amazing quality, I cannot believe this. Golden hour. Oh, it's bright. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for a what's on my iPhone 12 Pro Gold video. Such a mouthful. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Clueless when you're